2025 Home Decor Trends. Luxurious modern hues and natural elements to transform small spaces. As we embark on 2025, the essence of home decor lies in seamlessly merging modern luxury with nature-inspired elements to craft a harmonious and welcoming environment, even in the smallest of spaces. This year, color trends focus on a palette of serene neutrals, earthy tones, and rich accent hues, each enhanced to elevate both style and comfort within your living space. Whether your goal is to breathe new life into a cozy apartment or to rejuvenate your home's central decor pieces, selecting an appropriate color palette can metamorphose any area into a tranquil oasis, brimming with warmth and personality. The secret to achieving a profound impact in modest spaces is the art of balancing grounding colors like warm beige, soft olive, and muted terracotta with striking accents of deep sapphire, charcoal gray, or opulent emerald. These harmonious blends introduce depth and sophistication while preserving an airy, open ambience. When paired with organic textures such as rustic wood finishes and stone elements, along with statement lighting and multifunctional furniture, this approach ensures that even the most compact spaces transcend their physical limits to feel expansive and effortlessly elegant. Incorporating biophilic design elements becomes a transformative strategy, offering natural wood accents, stone finishes, and indoor greenery that craft a serene haven reflecting both modern innovation and timeless charm. Whether you lean towards minimalist elegance or find allure in bold artistic expressions, the 2025 home decor trends present a plethora of ideas to invigorate your interior with beauty and intention. Elevate your living space with colors that mirror your individuality, allowing your decor to narrate a tale of comfort, style, and effortless sophistication. This year's trends are not only about aesthetic appeal, but also emphasize functionality and cohesion with nature, making your home a true personal retreat. Creative use of space-saving furniture and intelligently designed layouts play a vital role. Think stylish shelving systems, hidden storage solutions, and furniture pieces that can adapt to various needs and occasions. These strategies ensure that even the smallest spaces maintain practicality without compromising on style. Whether you're an advocate of clean lines and simplicity, or are drawn to the eclectic mix of patterns and textures, personalizing your decor in 2025 involves creating a space that doesn't just look good, but feels inherently yours. This year's palette encourages you to explore and experiment, finding the perfect balance between luxury and natural elements that resonate with your lifestyle. Here's to a year of designing spaces that not only reflect who you are, but also epitomize the essence of modern serenity.